Ebusian for aha Ghana SMTV GH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe. Turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded. Ebusian for Papa Bakwa. As I branch Bakwa na soon I show my Mrs. say S Gyamfi. Me can Adam. It ain't far grown to you. S Gyamfi na so I do. Me, I've not seen anybody who is living in wealth, say sika or scan kasa but only a hunter to S Gyamfi. Because ebra all this scanning in no on him say 2029 na subayeshi. Eti all this scanning in no soon agunim say on him say Sawam honum de say construct special isolation center at S Gyamfi or Sawam. Because of po obedim. Yeah, there are no two ways. Now, maybe some will say, meaning say, oh, human beings here, you get tempted by money. Scout me tempted to even lay down your principles, to bullshit your principles. Say, oh, how does principle matter to me when I'm talking about money, wealth? And there may I say, I cry normal. But maybe say S Gyamfi mu any the others omutina se na omu clips nsema omu kai ebra na omu opposition sa clips any video see omu bochire omu a how do they feel ya makuma ya omu sen omu conscience ya omu sen how do omu feel any edge bia say oh ye pioneer we the yanya die yanya ni ye omo firi bibiza because S Gyamfi on one breath we say soul source in there devilish and then we defend this soul source in there and share any devilish sir and all those things nyama mu S Gyamfi you accuse Akufo Addo government you say they will na abeshemu kena na nyamia on pe boni so am say social media say the social media does not forget. And once social media does not forget, it just say Ghana 4 are going to base on that to vote. You see, 2028 campaign we are simple. And when they say the giant screen back, generator, and they call crassy. You bought cocoa farmers. My voices in area. Now we bought S Gyamfi in opposition, but S Gyamfi in power. Now we bought Mahama in opposition, but Mahama in power. I said no Keita in opposition, but Muntaka. By the time you both you say Ebusan for the ball is in your own court. Now you're free for a cock for. That is the kind of campaign we'll be doing in 2028. Ebusan for let's go and listen to the anger of the people. Kofono mubufu. Na mubufu mambo ni nyama eko. And some of the words that are used. Not palatable, but it's important. And these messages must get to people like S Gyamfi. He must listen by force. Oh, tie kura obeti. S Gyamfi muka chense me say so on person or take crowd by force because no bagawaya before then your contribution no cost so kitwa bien so na ba na screen na say pachamu boy na MD studio no it must say na me dey bia nyame shiramu. Now let's go into the conversation. Don't go anywhere.
Professor no pay
I say in a bay media credit was saying on
rules me who say no pay S Gyamfi actually be there on Facebook see about 10 minutes ago. Say I in the fear quite no. Say na quite na say we Ghana no. So mo ka say mo ye collective term. Omo ntimi nwa kwan ntina hu behia say nti no mo use so sometimes
akwan say wa bodam
eti ne kwan ne ono ne pick Ghana kwan so say no na no so e den a
Ghana kwan ambulance aye dey fo ana na mo ya ka ankwa adwuma
amuso nya ka ankwa adwuma nti nso so
akwan ambulance dey fire
am say ni pa jimi
akwan more than 100 okay akwan
107
see seke eye bia Adome bridge and you say ekevu enti ano de emergency yankwa ni tentem de na kwasa wo ye so source go ba yan po ko se mu book
yes 107
embra e fa procurement se kire se emergency se die natural disaster die obeta yi so source
e dia what
I say na we e kwan be na abu agum some of the cars as a
Sunyale
Tamak.
Me be care come out.
Okay. Sunyale Tamak. Oh, what the video?
Ana asay na
me show video na me fama.
Asay na Akufo Addo aban yes.
Yes, omoye.
No cross am Gyamfi sa dinti na ye ama so
what is so special?
Meanwhile, no cross no enye company bia na timi yo.
Debi
say ye play Tamak no enye company bia na timi ye. No cross am Gyamfi say on tiase CME competitive tendering. Nene 107 contract. Ne boy esum about 78 billion Ghana cedis. 78 billion. Emu 81 so sourcing. Emu 26 restricted. Now some Gyamfi what ba be justify we.
Omana na me na ego mani mo asi.
Omana oho no godon nyame oho andi fo hu nyame
ego mani mo asi na mu hu ni.
Nyame ewo pa na omudi odo man di agro ebedi wo mo
obobo kro no basa sa no be dem nsu sa
no we see way akwa agboja say oye candidate for jail
o be dem sa mo
kro no basa na mo on na be kan say menti asese mampani mahama say or beti value for money audit value for money office na business what is the essence of value for money say PPA are in charge of value for money no. What's all money in Yajuma? Today be a so sourcing, restricted. Until me fa Toby, now some Gyamfi to so sourcing. Now we so I bear a fair answer now. A friend saying, agent. What is that?
About the norm.
That's what we should have kept my near her at the end of family.
Okay, more than I call the chamber this for your copy draft. Nobody know me and son by ye come once much or none of pay.
I think say no correct because me this NDC the omuye ya basically no it was like ade amoye na eye but enye na eye nti say ye pekwa bia so kasa tia no na ye mumie mrambe it was like ahoye bi na omode na mu and omode na te ya and I've studied the NDC trajectory from 92 did by I'll take it from even from PNDC and I just realize even every election be on very nibiano. Ubu some say campaign message papa bem pan and this the amaya. Ye bi. Campaign message papa bem pa say or my campaign and my policy papa bi. Ye bi. They do well in telling people say yeah cromfo NPP for ya cromfo or NPP for ya cromfo or motor sa adwene to emabru team say ya munye ye adwo munye ye ni nyina no NPP na ayete obi na one NPP no adwo musika akodu obenti say na ogusa say dey na omutim convince that is how the convinces e kwa convince nkra na no unye adwuma anya ye NPP panyin na agiska etitam bia bo so mba ye mpanyimfo na agimi ye mpanyimfo enya bibia sa na ye dey aso omutim so they'll always go there and do the same thing. Yeah. So as a contract. And then some Gyamfi anchor. And then no President Mahama na anchor. And the justification whatever I say Mahama was 3 years into he has to do so that the contracts go on. Now after 3 years Nagana say. After 3 years Nagana into yet means nye bibia omanya brief pescal good system nim no my de ompeso omoye it by the time ye betu omno no my ye say job Ibrahim Mahama 2017 44 that checks was sign check out the back yes can plan them that is here no at that time 8 years down the line. And Ibrahim Mahama nyeska to a presidential jet. And it me $5 million. Say, money fanya blast work out fundraising. Now they moi. Okojisika do kwa kati within 8 years in Kobe say you marry. I am surprised and say, then Mahama ba ba power nko na Ibrahim Mahama din ba so. Any yehu ni sika so yesikani. Na so your man ba pa. Na anu ana Akufo Addo tesunu dey na oyebo o man no. Oso your man ba pa. Na anu ana Akufo Addo tesunu dey na oyema oban no. It when look at the NDC no ahoye ane beye bi a ewo omo so eno na omo dey say o man Ghana na say ye youth na ame ani ana ho no ma ye bebre ya me ani ana ho pa de a na de bia e be adwen say e be kwa akodi Mahama NDC achi a. It's not just the Mahama, it is in the DNA of the NDC ya de ewo omo mu I had a canny about Mahama. There be the NDC from Mojano. From Mojano. From Eti Oko you be a few hot you be a bar. Dear woman, Dadana, no one never saba. Don't think say Mahama na your trophy not just say, oh no, no, then or the Mahama caught Oko Fafo from bar or Dadana. Nankanya Sama. Wako baby pa or here asho wani maka yourself. Oh, it got the ye bi wa ha. The here agenda 111. Na na do see through baby nti beto aso maye, kopeska beto aso maye. Wo se de wo kan mate pa so ye den ya edwa na me de beba na no na pese me de ba. Say be ya by force 24-hour economy no. Beka se maye. Na asi ukwa akosi dwa 24-hour economy also the school kusim. Na school be na 24 hours. And I said school 12-hour economy no school never be can home.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now no hene na nkasa na ono ne mindful onim say sa niema we nyina Akufo Addo ye no it was for their own good. Hwe say the authority Akufo Addo wo ban. You did not one kasa no wo hene no wo krom fence kronity no anase kroni ra no. You didn't put the well-being of your people first when the person who really thinks about you. And I don't know how serious. I'm for serious. This one I don't blame President Mama. I'm for serious, and he shouldn't take him serious.
No. Me, it's not about you know him. I'm for serious. Me, I'm talking about the president. They say, Sabio, so why your grounds working very well? You wouldn't go and repeat something that's what. I don't know how. It's an indictment on you, the president yourself.
Have you forgotten these people?
Now people were saying, say, oh, now on the phone, yeah, na day. But critically, pa. We said this is Subaka say, yeah, almost a 2,000 in the woo year, 1,000 plus in the woo year now. Or much you need pass something will be a 40. Oh, I did numbers now in Shia. This year, I'm sure that BDM said, I didn't use free papa penny no. Because I'm said that is the training they've gotten. And this is from my day one style. So, ready can transfer now. Who was when I told the same lie. The same now when you know because the same that is the same that's how they are. And that's I'm just sure about a registration. No dear. I'm waiting to hear say Obaka me say my mama may a registration to a come sim. No better than the day or now I don't know so a stubborn academy a president. Say you stop academy president na Sata na Akufo Addo president no. Nyame adom ye tu Akufo Addo into also so no. Na memu aba wiye. Into so president for na do so stop academy no. O ma do so say ko Rascal Academy nyina ho no. Obehia yen. Me di besia.
Okay, okay.